What's up, guys? It's Joe with Logan Party 4runner, and I'm coming with another installation video, an upgrade on the 4runner. I'm super excited about this one. I hate it's taking so long to get them, but nonetheless it's a big ticket item. I finally got saved up for it and got them purchased. I'm sure a lot of y'all can relate to that. And what I'm getting today is rock sliders to replace these running boards. Rock sliders are a huge item, really important, arguably the most important for off-roading in the way of armor. These running boards provide no armor at all. They're just kind of looks and help you get in and out of the car. And these were in great shape until 2 weeks ago, and I tore this one up off-roading in Uwharrie, which is a little bit of a bummer, but it was just the running board, which I was fixing to replace anyway. They don't have a great resale value, and I didn't get any body damage, which is the main thing. So let me show you what we are going with. Look at these beauties right here. These are by LFD Off-Road. If you have not heard of LFD Off-Road, you should definitely check them out, especially if you've got a Toyota or Lexus product. That's all they make stuff for right now, but they make super high quality stuff, and they're essentially local to me. They're down in Denver, North Carolina. I actually got these through a great place outside of Greensboro called Apex Overland, and they actually had them powder coated, and I wanted to put them on myself because I like messing with stuff like this. But if you buy from them, they can install them for you. But not that there's any cheap rock slider on the market. These are definitely not entry level. These are 0.12 DOM drawn over mandrel sliders. They're 0 degree with kickouts and fill plates, so they're pretty nice. They're exactly what I wanted, so they still provide a good step for getting in and out and for accessing the roof rack to get the rooftop tent and everything. And I think they're just going to look amazing. They look really good, super heavy, and they ought to really protect the rig. So next step is to get these old running boards off, and then we're going to get these new ones put on and check them out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Out with the old and in with the new. So the plan is on the new one is set it up under there, maybe try and use these jack stands to help hold up the back side. Probably gonna try and do the front side first and basically just get right under there with it, sort of have it on top of me, lift it up and get that first bolt in, and then I can switch over, get the other bolt in and go in. There's already holes in the frame for everything to bolt into, and obviously the old ones came off really simply, 6 bolts into the body and they came right out. So we're gonna set everything up and do our best to manhandle this behemoth up into place. Alright, so there they are. That's the finished product. They were a little difficult to install, but it wasn't anything too bad. One piece of advice I would give you is, if you are taking off your old running boards, take one of the bolts from that and drive it into each one of the holes that the rock sliders are going to go into, and it kind of helps clear them out, and it's got sort of a tapered thread so that it really cuts through the dirt pretty good and makes it easier for these bolts to thread in. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward job. I'm really happy with them, excited to put them to use, and I really appreciate you watching the video. and for tuning in. I'm going to post links to these sliders if you're interested in these. I highly recommend them. I recommend Apex Overland as well. So check them out, and thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.